Hi, I want to shout out to Tenacity Academy. You're very unique in the cleaning community, and I highly recommend it to anyone that is interested in starting a business, a cleaning business. Miss Katrina Johnson can lead you step by step how to start it. A few years ago, I found her videos, and these videos are give me the inspiration, the motivation, and the step how to start my own cleaning company. I am amazed the way the Miss Katrina is growing her company, and not only growing herself, but she's being empowering others to do the same and be successful. I just finished a call with her, and she really pointed me my mistake and give me some advices, good advices for my business. And I see now how important it is to have a mentor, to take some classes, courses, join a community, reach out. I highly recommend it to check Tenacity Academy on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Check the videos and all what they have to offer. And following her videos, I learned how to talk as a business owner, how to charge, how to be strategic about things, how to do a contract. Thank you so much, Miss Katrina, for your encouragement today, for your time. The way you blessed me today with your strategic word of advice, and all the disposition that you had to be a blessing. I hope that you will be blessed with your family and your business and everything that you do. Thank you. This is Rosa Jungle from North Georgia and Right Hand Cleaning Services. Love you. Thanks. Thank you so much.